All right, well, I woke up this morning to a surprise. I didn't think it was going to be here this early, but sure, I'm glad it is. This is the unboxing of a new guitar that I ordered from Sweetwater, a Gibson J-45. Of course, got my little thank you, my itemized of what I got. Candy, and I think I got enough candy in the case, hopefully. But we'll see what happens there. Packed pretty well. Also going to try out that new tuner. SNS Micro Sound Hole tuner from Dead Aerial. They've made good products in the past, so we'll give it a shot. And there it is, look there. If I can get this thing out, it'll be even better. And there it is, my first ever Gibson. I've got a couple of Martins, and I really love those. Takamine, love those, but I've always dreamed of this moment. That's why I'm filming it and acting like I'm such a nerd about it. Kind of really nerding out right now. I kind of don't want to open it because I'll probably never have another one. I'll tape I missed on this end. And there she is. Very nice case. As most of you J-45 know, or owners know. And let's just open it up for the first time. And oh my goodness. What a beaut, and the smell of the new guitar. Oh. Just the evaluation. Oh man, that thing is pretty. Well, as you're afraid, new music coming your way soon, guys. Thanks for being a part of it with me. And that's my new Gibson J-45. Cannot wait to get it out of the box, but I can't film and do both. So thanks for watching.